Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome black screen problem step by step in 2026. If Chrome opens but displays a black screen, or you see a blank page instead of your usual browser interface, it can be really frustrating. Luckily, there are several ways to fix this and get Chrome working normally again. Let's get started. First, restart Chrome completely. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and end all Chrome processes. Sometimes background processes can interfere with Chrome and cause the black screen issue. Next, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary system issues or memory conflicts that may prevent Chrome from displaying correctly. Now try disabling hardware acceleration. Open Chrome, go to Settings, Greater than System, and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Then restart Chrome. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause display issues, especially with certain graphics cards. Another step is to clear your cache. Go to Settings, Greater than Privacy and Security, Greater than Clear Browsing Data, select All Time, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. A corrupted cache can cause Chrome to fail to render pages correctly. Next, check for Chrome updates. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help greater than about Google Chrome, and let it update automatically. The latest version often includes bug fixes and performance improvements that resolve black screen problems. If the issue persists, try running Chrome in compatibility mode. Right-click the Chrome shortcut, select Properties Greater than Compatibility, and check Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows. Choose your current Windows version and click Apply. Then try opening Chrome again. For advanced troubleshooting, disable all extensions, go to More Tools, Greater than Extensions, and turn off each extension. Sometimes conflicting or outdated extensions cause Chrome to display a black screen. Finally, if none of these solutions work, reinstall Chrome, uninstall the browser completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google website. Fresh installation usually resolves persistent black screen issues. And that's how you fix the Google Chrome black screen problem step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.